What's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here. I'm back with another vlog, but this vlog is an update on the house. But 3 months ago, we went to the model home and we picked out, like, you know, the shutters, you know, the brick, you know, everything that we want the house to look like. So we got all that picked out, and yeah, they started the process where they dug the hole, and then they started to do the foundation, and then they started to do the framing, and then they started, you know, doing the roof and the ceilings and everything. I mean, everything. There's a lot of stuff that's done. Now, I wasn't really doing the updates on that for the simple fact that I didn't want to come off as I was bragging, and I'm a very humble person, and I feel like none of this would be possible if God wasn't giving us this blessing. So with that being said, people around me have been asking, what's going on with the house, what's up with that, you should be vlogging about that. And then I'm like, okay, I should just start vlogging about it and give people insight about it. But then it was like, okay, what I'm gonna be vlogging, just some sticks and some dirt, because nothing was built. It was just a hole. So what was I gonna show y'all? The hole in the ground? It made no sense. Now they have a lot done with the house. I'm just gonna say this, I feel like this is a journey for us. This is our first home, not our forever home, but our first home. God has blessed us, like I said, and this wouldn't be possible without him. If you would like to follow along with us in this journey, just subscribe and like, and I would know to keep uploading vlogs about the house and the home updates. We can go furniture shopping. We have a lot going on with the house. So if you would like more updates about the home, I will just do more vlogs about that. I'm about to get a little closer, y'all. I got samples on looking crazy. This is the garage area. You see the stairs right there. So the house is going to be 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, but we're going to add a bedroom and a bathroom in the basement, future. And so yeah, that's going to be a process and a project for us. We want to have a bar in the basement, a lot of different things. Even though we picked, you know, basically everything in the house, we had to do a couple of upgrades, but we're going to do a little bit of things that, you know, we felt we didn't need in the upgrades from the builder. We're going to do it ourselves, so I can vlog about that as well. The house also has a flex room. They have, you know, a family room. We had picked the upgrade of getting an island in the kitchen. We had the upgrade. It's a couple of upgrades. I'm just show y'all, you know, when it is more done. But right about now, I'm just gonna show y'all what's done right now. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's see what they've done so far. I already took a look before, so I'm not even about to act like I'm so surprised, like I haven't been stalking the house for 10 years. They literally have stairs. They have the porch about to be getting done and all of that. Oh my gosh, they like getting a garage basically done in there. Wow, because I can't even see the stairs. The other day I saw the stairs through the garage, but now they're getting, I'm guessing, the walls put up. Shoot, they got windows in now. Yeah guys, it's pretty much almost done. I'm not gonna say almost done, but it's getting there. This house should be done, my realtor said, like December time. So we should look forward to moving in around December. Hopefully, cross fingers, they're done by then. But until then, I'm just gonna keep you guys updated, like I said, if you would like. So I need to get up out of here, and I guess I could just continue the vlog off. I don't want nobody to be like, girl, what is your channel about?
Joggers.
Excuse me?
Joggers. It's more lifestyle.
So he's talking about your clothing line, She by Sheree. Are you bringing it back? Oh.
So if I'm going
it wasn't clear.
Right now, the vlogs and the channel is gonna be about house updates, furniture shopping, and getting everything ready for the house. So that's what we're going with these videos right about now. We about to go furniture shopping. We about to get up in the house, be cooking the yam, whipping and flipping the yam, turning the brick to a lamp. You know what I'm saying? The fact that, let me get my life real quick. The frick was that? What did I hit? See, the police is out. Why is they out? They trying to get a quota or something? So you know what? We're gonna go to the car wash first. Let's do that because I done went in all that dirt. Oh my gosh. This is like really off topic, but I need to tell y'all what happened to me this morning. So basically, I normally wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day to, you know, get down to business, kind of get to work. Long story short, on Sundays, I don't wake up early. Like, I just try to sleep in. But I woke up at like 7 o'clock this morning, and I thought it was freaking 7 p.m. I thought the whole day was over. I called my mama. I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's 7 p.m. Like I just slept the whole day away. I was supposed to come and see you and go eat and all that. And she like, girl, it's 7 a.m. And then it's just like, what the heck? This is the second time that's happened to me. Like, I don't know if I'm waking up too early every day or I'm not getting enough rest, but I'm tired of waking up and feeling like it's already nighttime. You get what I'm saying? If y'all know what I'm talking about, if that ever happened to you, let me know in the comments below, because it's weird. Like, I would just wake up and think it's already nighttime, like, and it be so daytime. Like, what the heck? All right, we at the car wash. At the car wash. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. I'm so happy I got the pass that just pull up, hop out at the after party. You and all your friends and sipping on it.
Yeah. Say that to my face. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hey, don't copyright me. This is my jam. You better sing it, Luther. Sing it, Luther. One day B. Hey, listen to him. He about to tell it to y'all. For me to that I've been missing takes a long time. Hey, listen to the words, y'all.
Hey guys, we made it to Audi. Let's get on up in Audi, bruh. I got my mask on. Let me see. I got my purse. We out. That was just a lot for me, y'all. I couldn't even get the dang on 25 cents in the dang on buggy. So I didn't even have a buggy. So I couldn't even hold my camera to record because I couldn't even get the dang on 25 cents in the buggy. Everybody was looking at me like an amateur. But my mama and Jackie know not to send me to the grocery store by myself. I don't look at dates. I don't know nothing when I get to the grocery store. I don't know why. I don't know how to act when I get in the grocery store. But anyway, we got the eggs, the bacon, the milk, and I'm gonna try this vanilla, what is it? Vanilla latte. I don't know if y'all can see it, by Starbucks. I'm gonna try that. I tried the caramel one out, and I'm gonna probably insert a video. I think I recorded it earlier on. I'm gonna show y'all that probably if I got the video still. But I tried the caramel one out. It was really good. Now I'm gonna try the vanilla latte. If y'all got one near y'all, try it out. But I'm gonna let y'all know, and if y'all do try it, let me know in the comments, do you like it? So anyways, I use that as a pick-me-up before I start working, or for a laxative, because coffee always gives me the runs. So anyway, we just left the grocery store. We got our car wash. Now we're about to head back home.
One eternity later.
Yikes, I play tag and you it for life. Yikes, you a clown, you do it for likes. Yikes.
That pretty much wraps up this home update vlog. I really appreciate you hanging with me, and if you would like to join the journey with us in building the house and get updates on the house and furniture and all that type of shebang, don't forget to like and subscribe, boo. Thanks for hanging with me as always. I appreciate it. You know I do, boo. So I'll see you in the next home update. Bye. Mwah.